auto stop loop. First, go to menu, go to this test engineering, and go user code, and go to loop. Then this one stuff. Then write what loop is this number. Loop number 1, and enter. That's it. Card number 1 shutting down.